We're almost there. Hopefully not that one on lens. Doesn't appear to have moved down there. There we go. Got her through. I pity those who don't have a oil can even, or a drill press, or anything nice. Yeah. We'll tap that out, see how it goes, and we'll do the other. Focus. Alright, I figured I'd try something I hadn't before, and I guess that's the way you're supposed to do it, but there was still, I was a bit off center, so there was a bit more bolt left on the front side there, on this side. So I decided I'd let the camera focus on the wrong thing. Yeah, well, anyway, I took this double A punch right here and pushed it back. Works a lot better than I thought it would. Focus. Oh, this is bad. You're bad. Almost. But I'm going to try to get this the rest of the way out of there. And then I'll run a tap through it. This is a 1/4 inch hole and a 5/16 bolt, by the way. That worked quite a bit better than I thought it would. I had to go around the other side with the punch and knock out the rest of the bolt, but after that it was pretty easy going. Tap went right in. Now for the next one. We always know how number 2 goes. Second hole all set up. Well, the second 2B hole. Got the bit in there extra tight this time. Let's see how it goes. Piece moved. That's great. You know, a lot of kids call me a mastermind for knowing this kind of stuff. Honestly, I had no idea. There's people who didn't know this stuff. Like, you don't know this? Come on. Everybody knows this. There we go. Let's give this another try. Wait. Now let's give this another try. Yeah, always turn your machine off before sticking your dick beaters in there. Word of advice. Or your cranium. This reminds me of something I saw in a Facebook group. They were in this machine shop. I believe they had the mill on a warm-up cycle. Like a fly cutter in there. No, it wasn't a fly cutter. Either way, it was one of the bigger melon cutters, and the idiot stuck his head in there in a warm-up cycle. Look at whatever. Stupid. He's lucky. Just caught the back of his head and where his neck comes up, but got it out just fine. Just needed a few stitches. Stupid. I mean, what kind of idiot does that? Ugh. People. You know what I'm saying? Almost through. Just a little bit more to go. You wonder how people get by. I mean, most other idiot who attempts to fix this stuff would just buy another spindle. I mean, under warranty, have the spindle replaced. I understand that. I mean, it's warranty. They're doing it for free. Mostly for free. But how do people get by? Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, that's right. But how do people get by? I mean, I forget what my dad did a little while ago. The clip came off the output shaft on the transfer case. He did that himself. I mean, any other guy would be paying $600 to have that done. Or more. It's just crazy. point, please. Ooh. I purposely did that at off-center so I could get at it with a punch better. Hopefully. It's always with the taps that stuff goes wrong. This one turned out pretty good too. I mean, it doesn't look nice, but... Come on. It doesn't want to focus. There we go. It doesn't look nice, but it'll thread a bolt into it. I mean, worst case scenario, I'll put a nut on the other side. Yeah. This works surprisingly well. I wonder what's going to ruin the rest of it.